Which part of the cell is known as the brain or control center? B. Nucleus. What is the process by which plants make their own food? C. Photosynthesis. Which pigment gives leaves their green color? C. Chlorophyll. How many bones are in the adult human body? B. 206. Which blood cells are responsible for fighting infections? D. White blood cells. What is the largest organ in the human body? C. Skin. Which gas do humans exhale as a waste product of respiration? A. Carbon dioxide. What is the basic unit of life? C. Cell. Which vitamin is produced when the skin is exposed to sunlight? D. Vitamin D. What is the name of the long pipe that shifts food from the mouth to the stomach? B. Esophagus. Animals that eat both plants and meat are called? C. Omnivores. Which part of the plant conducts water from the roots to the leaves? A. Xylem. What is the genetic material found in the nucleus of a cell? C. DNA. Which organ filters waste from the blood? A. Kidneys. What is the normal body temperature of a human in Celsius? B. 37 degrees Celsius. What is the chemical symbol for gold? C. Au. Which state of matter has a definite shape and a definite volume? D. Solid. What is the chemical formula for common table salt? C. NaCl. What is the pH of pure water? C. 7. Which element is the lightest and most abundant in the universe? D. Hydrogen. What is the atomic number of carbon? B. 6. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? B. Mercury. A substance with a pH less than 7 is considered. C. Acidic. Which gas is used to extinguish fires? B. Carbon dioxide. What is the chemical symbol for iron? C. Fe. What is the process of a solid turning directly into a gas? B. Sublimation. Which element is necessary for combustion, burning, to occur? C. Oxygen. What does the O in H2O stand for? C. Oxygen. What is the most common gas in the Earth's atmosphere? B. Nitrogen. What is the unit of force? C. Newton. Who discovered the law of universal gravitation? B. Isaac Newton. The bending of light as it passes from one medium to another is called. D. Refraction. What is the fastest thing in the universe? C. Light. Which lens is used to correct nearsightedness? B. Concave. Sound cannot travel through which of the following? D. Vacuum. What is the unit of electrical resistance? C. Ohm. Energy of motion is called. B. Kinetic. A simple machine consisting of a beam and the fulcrum is A. C. Lever. What instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? A. Barometer. What is the power of a lens measured in? B. Diopters. What is the boiling point of water in Fahrenheit? B. 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Which planet is closest to the Sun? C. Mercury. What is the name of our galaxy? B. Milky Way. Which planet is known as the watery planet or blue planet? B. Earth. How many days does it take for the Earth to orbit the Sun? C. 365.25 days.